What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Bale, for today's video guys, papakita ko sa inyo na tapos na yung gym natin, no? So ito na siya. Ito na yung gym. Tapos na. Tapos ito yung ginagawa ko nung nakaraan. So ayan, nakita nyo. Pwede ko yung picture sa inyo. Ayan. So, actually marami na kami picture dito guys. Sadyang ngayon lang ako ulit makakapag-vlog kasi ngayon lang ulit naging buwelo. So ngayon magbaback ako, solo flight, so walang kasabay. At by the way nga pala guys, congratulations sa tito ko, kaya Uncle Totoy. Sobrang nakaka-inspired kasi isipin nyo sa ganun age ng Uncle Totoy, tapos pinagdaanan, nag-champion siya sa bodybuilding yan. So yun, congratulations ulit Uncle Totoy, sobrang nakaka-inspired siya, ang inspirasyon sa lahat. So start na tayo ng workout guys, let's go. So, dapat may kasabay ako ngayon guys eh, kaso natokis ako ng dalawa eh. Shoutout sa inyo kay Ben at Patrick, hindi nyo kasi sipot.
Yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
You're rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that? I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Got some egos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
So, mapapansin nyo guys, yung pull down na to, sa kabila nyo may punches. Makikita nyo may punches sa dulo. Yan. Yan. Forma, no? So, dahil sabay ko, malakas nung sabay ko. Hindi, client yan guys. So, next workout na tayo. T-bar naman. Ito siya. Mamaya babalikan natin yung guys. Papakita ko sa inyo yung isang variation ng machine na yun. Pull down din siya para sa lahat. Ngayon, T-bar muna tayo. Nakuha akong kasabay guys. Ito. Malakas.
Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on her tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
tagal din ng hirap ng tropa para mabutong gym. From pintura, sa mga pagkukumpuni, pag-welding, yan, kaya parang dyan, walang gumagawa yan. Kasi yan, sa lettering. Ngayon, okay na. So, makaka-gym na kami ng matiwasay. Dahil yung mga nakaraan, sadyang hindi talaga maka-vlog. Pati yung prep ko naputol guys, kasi dahil nga inasikaso namin tong gym na to. Para, kumbaga, anytime makaka-gym kami. Yun ang gusto ng tropa. Kahit anong oras, pwede kami mag-gym, pwede namin buksan yung gym. So, ayun. Ngayon, okay na. Tuloy na ulit ang prep. Hindi pa naman. Tuloy lang ulit ang buhat. Hindi pa prep talaga. Ito ang pinakabakanting oras namin. Alas 9:30 na. So, ito. Dito pala kami nakakabuelo mag-workout.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go.
Look. I told Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women, if I want them then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women, I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me, so I call them acapellas. See, I'm only getting better, you only get jealous.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
You know, I had this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD, JPB. You already know, baby.
Grabe. Ramdam ko yung back ko ngayon. Siyempre dahil bago yung variation ng ginawa naming workout dahil dito. Bagong dating yung machine namin yan.
You could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess. What's happening next?
He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You could try to play but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they drive the chains, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts. Never waste time, you got one shot, you got one life. Better pop off, what do you like? Make a dream job, no 9-5, no mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts.
Guys, magpapump na lang ako sa arms ko. So, bicep na lang. Superset na to. So, bali isang workout na lang ng superset. Sa easy board, tapos diretso hammer. ito na yung oras namin sa pag-workout. So, kaya kami natitira dito sa gym. Kasi yung oras na actually, yung oras na yan. Oo, diyan ko makikita. Alas 10 na. Mahigit. So, ito lang kasi yung bakante naming oras. Kaya ito lang kami nakaka-workout. Yan, si Bro Leo. Kaya sila pa rin dyan. Kalukohan. Yun guys, no? So uwi na. Dito na lang ulit. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuportang tropa natin dyan. At huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe guys sa mga bagong tropa natin dyan. Thanks for watching at hanggang sa muli. Bye bye.